Hi, hi everybody. Mike Delta again here. Today or tonight we have another TX2250 Elite line. I think this is made by Palomar, and we're gonna test it again. So 13.8. We're gonna drive it with the IC7300 on 27 megahertz watt meter. Okay, we're gonna check the drive first. So right now I put it in RTTY. The same with the AM or sideband, but this is simulate that there is an audio and it's on full power. So when you say RTTY, when it's in full power, it means the modulation is 100%. So maybe 90 or 100%. So let's see the wattage. Times 1 scale, 100 watts logged. So it's around 11 watts on the scale, 10 to 11. Yeah, 11.19, so 11 watts, around 11 something. So let's see. Let's do this in times 2 scale. Times 2 scale. Let's turn it on. Full power, maximum. Let's see. It's around 80 times 2, it's 160 watts. 160 watts full power. 11.9, 1.4. It's a maximum. So 80 times 2, it's 160 watts. 160 watts. Well, some people, or some other video on the YouTube, they measure about the average and the peak. For me, average is nothing, because when you say average, when you're on AM and you try to press the mic and you don't modulate it, you will get a wattage, but it's not full because there's no modulations. Amplitude modulation should be 100% modulated. Single sideband is same, it should be modulated 100%, so you get the full wattage output of the drive. And then the amplifier or the booster, you should see the maximum power. So for me, there's no point of measuring the average. It's always be the maximum power, or some people, they call it peak, but peak or maximum are the same to me. So if you want to see the real power or the maximum power of an amp or any radio, when you're on AM or sideband, just put the steady modulation. Put a steady modulation, inject the tone, probably 1 kilohertz or 800 hertz, or select it to RTTY. It's the same with the modulated signal. So whatever you see in the output, that is your real watts, and that's your maximum watts. So again, this one is on RTT, and then 11.9 watts drive. Let's turn it on. Okay, 100 watt times 2 scale. 80 times 2, it's 160. So that is your maximum watts, or that is your peak wattage. That is the real true wattage of your amp or radio. It have to be modulated, AM or sideband, it have to be modulated 100%, 90 to 100%, so you will see the true power. So even without peak, your, let's say your watt meter is on regular no peak reader. If we turn it off, if I turn off the peak reader, so I will measure the same thing, because I have a steady modulation. See, same thing, 80 watts times 2, it's 160. So even your meter has a peak or not, once you put the solid modulation on this AM on or sideband, you will see your maximum power or your peak power. Okay, that's again TX2250, made by Palomar Elite Line 13.8. So again, so let's see, times 2 scale, 80 watts times 2, 160. Palomar TX2250.